Our next candidate nominated is a senior from Mendon High School, Sapna Ramesh. Please stand. And she was nominated by Mrs. Houlihan, and that's for in her science class. Sapna was consistently an A+ student in both honors and AP chemistry. She is one of the most self-disciplined and thoughtful students I have ever had. She has an excellent work ethic. She was prepared with complete homework assignments every day. She has thoughtful and appropriate questions. She came to me as needed for clarification or any kind of help with her work at all. Sapna meets challenges with preparation and willingness to put in the time and effort needed to succeed. She is able to solve multi-step, multi-variable problems with logic and clarity. She is able to sort distracting information from relevant facts. She has excellent lab skills. She presented an excellent PowerPoint on her research project on nanotechnology in medicine. She is an AP Scholar with distinction. She received the American Chemical Society recognition 2 years in a row. She is much more mature than her peers. She demonstrates conscientiousness and restraint. She is a good listener and is also able to discuss topics in depth. She often helps other classmates with problem solving or lab reports. She willingly gives her time to tutor classmates outside of class. She is uncommonly generous, kind, and humble. She was a research assistant at the University of Rochester's lab for laser energetics. She researched electrical properties of insulating oils. She did experiments, analyzed data, and then presented her work with a PowerPoint to an auditorium filled with scientists, grad students, friends, and families. She answered questions from the audience. I was there, and she did an excellent job. Mr. Teal King also shares that they've all enjoyed the presence of you and your positive impact, and what a wonderful young lady you are for the past 4 years. You always have been at Mendon High School. I thought I might share just one example of how you contribute to the greater community good. A few days after our committee selected you for the Pittsford Pride Award, we became aware that you also had been selected for the Starbridge 2017 Youth Award, which you will receive later this week as part of the Community Awards portion of the Celebration of Champions, an evening to benefit Starbridge. Specifically, Sapna has devoted over 150 hours of service to the TIES program, starting as early as 7th grade. The TIES program promotes the participation of students and young adults who have developmental disabilities in inclusive, organized, extracurricular, and community activities through the support of trained student volunteers like you. When I asked Sapna why she became so deeply engaged in this activity, she shared that while she felt very good about many other forms of community service, what made TIES special for her was the one-on-one opportunity to connect with children she supported and the personal relationships that were developed. There's no question we will miss the positive contributor to our Mendon High School tradition of being our personal best, but we also know she will continue to make a positive difference at Cornell University next year and to the community at large throughout your future endeavors. Our appreciation goes to the Board of Education for providing this opportunity for us to recognize her, and our congratulations to go to her and her family for the very good person that she is. Congratulations.